Do you want to know about the upcoming games? Then this video is for you. The first game is Lord of Heroes. This game is story based and rage mode game, and there are different characters as you can see, and this game is based on elementals. You can see like fire elemental, water elemental, and different like there are different characters, sniper girl, etc. And this game is released in Korea as you can see. You might know about the computers that PS4 and PS5 is coming, right? Then what's for Android? This game is for Android. Now it's your turn to try this game. And this game is going on pre-registration. If you want to play this game, you can pre-register now. The next game is Genesis Impact. This game is also story based and rage mode game, but in this game you can find story, twist, truth, secret, all things. And I should tell you, you will like to play this game, and there are different things you can do in this game like shopping, camping, making friends. A lot of people expected from 2019 gaming, but it came in 2020 gaming. Yeah, the gaming is getting updated by day. So I believe you can like this game, and this game is in pre-registration. If you want to play this game, you can pre-register now. Tell me in the comments what do you think about this game. And in this game some characters have magical powers also, and it's an adventure type of game. Like if you moving to some place, there will be some chests and some villains like that, etc. Slowly you will travel and you will get some characters. There are only 5 characters you should get. And in this game you can see the graphics are so nice, and I think in September 23rd or 28th this game will be released. The next game is Fall Guys Mobile. This game is going to be my favorite game because it's going to be the first PS4 game coming in phone, and there are different rounds, and first 4 or 3 rounds you should qualify. In the last round you should survive, and when you play and you get these cups and etc. When you gain experience, you can get new skins, etc. You can update your player, all that things. Slowly your player will get updated, and the player speed and all things will get updated, and you will also get some experience to play this game. And yes, it is the first game is coming in phone. This game is pretty funny. In the trailer, as you can see, there are some people running, and you can change the character color, etc. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and do comment that do you want like this upcoming games video or another gameplay video. And if you do the like button, it really motivates us. So goodbye.